Alright you guys, I am in Sam's Club 564. You will get 2 bags. Limited time only. Hot chocolate bombs. Okay, filled with marshmallows. They are out. You will get 7 for $9.98. You get 20 count sugar cookies. They are pumpkin. You get frosting and confetti for $7, so save it up for the weekend. They also have Halloween cupcakes, $13.43 if you're having a party. They have vanilla and chocolate mix, $14.94 for the brownies, and pumpkin pie is $5.98. $13.47, you will get a 35 count. These are by Hallmark. Ooh, this is a really pretty one. I think I might have passed around something like that last year. The red truck. Thomas Kincaid, $13.47. They are pretty. They have like samples out. Okay. Because there is glare, let's see. Joy to the World. Dear, oh, I see a Snoopy in the back. There's one snowman. Oh gosh, I only have one hand, so they're gonna fall. Okay, let me get to this Snoopy one. It says Merry Christmas. Hope your holidays are filled with sweet surprise that keep you smiling all season long. Italian truffles, $12.98, and of course you will get 2. Cocoa and caramel, hazelnut and milk chocolate. And the Wilton gingerbread house is here. Oh, if you get these 2 with it, you do. So $12. This kit is $12. Now this one is called the Connoisseur Gift, $39.98. You have Martinelli's sparkling cider, lemon cakes, mixed olives, olive pesto, white truffles, some pastries. I believe I did share this one before. It is going to be $17. You will get 24 treats in here. Somebody was asking. And oh yeah, $15.77. Cocoa dusted almonds, cinnamon toffee, and dark chocolate and sea salt for $15.77. You will get 4 for $15.77. Again with the zebra, caramel corn, cinnamon toast, and kettle corn. $10.28. Belgian chocolate, milk chocolate, sea salt. Oh, product of Belgium. These are new. Snickerdoodle is still here for $9.98. And more hot chocolate cocoa bombs. So there's like 2 different types here. You get 16 for $17.98. Okay, they have milk chocolate and s'mores. And $14.98. Gourmet peppermint candy canes, made in America. My son will love this. He loves the peppermint sticks. If you need cotton candy, $9.98. You could also, you know, spruce your adult drinks with this one right here. Dove Assorted Truffles, $14.98. And you know, Dove is not bad. This is a really little nice gift container. We have milk and dark chocolate. Ooh, this would be something for my mom. That is my mom's gift. $9.98. We have white peppermint, limited edition. And down here, you guys, dark chocolate s'more snack mix. Okay, it is peppermint. We have peppermint flavored marshmallow, you know, with dark chocolate. That sounds interesting. And over here is like the regular s'mores, $9.78. This is just graham, marshmallow, and chocolate. Praline pecans, $9.88. Sweet buttery and made with real butter. Godiva. Okay, we have dark chocolate. $7.78. $10.98. Look at this. Oh, a lot of new stuff today. Chocolate and white fudge. And you guys, they brought out the M&Ms already. $12.98 for peanut. And you know your regular M&M. Oh, let me turn it around. Brownie Brittle with Reese's. Oh, these are $6.98. 120 calories per serving. I haven't seen Tootsie Pops here in a while. You get 100 for $10.54. Look at this large bag of Dum Dums. You get 500 for $13.12. So today they had the Bear Claw Danish, $7.98, and that is a 12 count. $10.98. They had the Santa Christmas package, tree, Santa, snowman. You get 85. And you know, Welch's is my favorite. I love it. A limited edition tie-dye roll-ups, strawberry and tropical for $12.56. Takis. Okay, you get 15 in here, you guys. Kind of like the Taki Pringles for $18.98. You could also find these in the 99-cent store. Pumpkin seed tortilla chips, $4.48 by Mother's Farm. That sounds pretty interesting. Cheese and caramel mix, $6.34. Honey buttered, made with real honey, $5.48. Jalapeno poppers, cheese curls are $4.28. Cauliflower stalks with sea salt, $6.42. And I love this brand over here, you guys. Tortilla chips, $6.98. Now, I wish this brand had the tiny little bags. I no longer like to buy big bags anymore. I feel like it does go to waste. People leave it open. You know what I mean? So I'm over buying the big bags. Sam's Club, I do wish, I am buying the Lay's 40 pack. I do wish they had Ruffles. I swear they used to, but they really condensed their chip area. I don't know what they're doing. Like on the big boxes to buy it in bulk. They only have cheddar, hot Cheetos, and classic. Tons of Harry Potter, $24.98. And the Chamber of Secrets. These are $19.98. Did they stop selling her stuff up in Target after her whole being a bully online? Christmas at Grandma's, $11.98. Really, really cool. Look at this for $32.98. Miracles of the Miniature World. Isn't that really cool? They could get photos like that. You know, when you think about that, it's just so fascinating. You gotta love it. It's a flight feather. Ah, the fly. Like, look at that. Living in the gut. A parasite gets his food from another organism while living or inside its body. It looks scary, right? Yuck. A card making kit. Trying to see if we find anything else new. Cross stitch. And I believe everything might be the same. Here's Christmas craft. Santa lightweight sweatshirt. These are $12.98 here. So this brand is called Liquid Death. Mountain Water. Murder your thirst. 100% mountain water. It's like in a little like can. Looks like a beer.
Just murder your thirst.
Yeah. So I found Scan and Go savings. So I'm not too sure if it's cheaper. $10.98 everyday price, and then $8.98 Scan and Go price.
Yeah, you save $2 and these are wrapped.
These are new Mason Dixie bakery style biscuits, scratch made with real butter. You will get 24 for $5.98. This brand is called Easy Pops Chicken Sticks, $13.98, and that is a 6-pound bag. Crab mac and cheese, $14.98. That is a new one. And look, spinach and cream. Oh, you get 36 here for $9.98. These are new. These are $9.98. We have bacon wrap beef tenderloin. You will get 14. Fudge is out, $14.98. Chocolate peanut butter, chocolate walnut, peanut butter and chocolate. French green beans, $5.48 for 2 pounds. $19.98. We have vacuum insulated travel mugs, so quite a variety. Okay, brand new in the pet area, $17.98. Now this I would save for Christmas, you guys. They get a frisbee, like a little Kong throw one. It is pretty soft. It's not, you know, they could definitely grab it. I think this one's like a squeaker, and this. That's a good one. $16.98, rawhide free, 15 peanut butter flavor. It says 15 peanut butter flavor, but it says 30 bones. I don't know. Oh, half and half. Okay, chicken flavor and peanut butter. So that equals 30, of course. No grain, corn, soy. Where is it made? It is a Member's Mark, but I like to look at where it's made. If it's made in the USA, I will most likely just buy it. Produced in Germany. Okay. Munchie Bones helps clean the teeth. Hip and joint, $15.87. You get 180 count. Found this. Life vampires. They're under dying appeal for the vampire. World's Scariest Places. Oh look, we got Metallica on top. Clint Eastwood. It's kind of funny. Survive Anything. Ultimate Readiness Guide. And the Salem Witch Trials. $27.98. You will get 54. We have Dunkin' Eggnog Spice. Okay, sugar cookie mix. You get 5 packs for $6.98. This is a good one to have and to stock it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Sam's Club. Thank you so much for joining me. We have aspirin on sale for $10.47. Low dose $4.47. And Aleve is $14.98. Naproxen sodium $12.47. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.